Hello, Krishna fans. Here we go for another deep dive into the latest round of changes that were just pushed to the public branch. The first enhancement you'll notice when hovering over anything that's usable will be a little interaction hit at the bottom right above the FPS counter. You'll notice that when you hover over an item, it'll tell you that there are available options, such as clicking the left mouse button to pick up this chronometer. Once you equip the actual chronometer, you'll see that there's now hints for additional functionality, such as toggling the timer through the left mouse button, zooming in, right mouse button, and even putting away with the X. This functionality is carried through everything in the game, including chairs, where you can sit and then hover over other usables, such as the hydroplane controller. We hope these visual cues will make it easier for new players to the sim to understand the options they have to interface with the different simulation mechanisms within the simulator. For players that prefer a more immersive experience, within the options menu, you can head on over to gameplay and turn off interaction hints. This works in parallel with the object highlighting option to be able to remove object highlighting and interaction hints on the bottom right. Additionally, we've also added settings to be able to turn off labored breathing, flatulence, and nausea. We know some players might find these sights and sounds unappealing, so we've added the option to turn those off. They work for both local player and multiplayer sounds and sights. Finally, we've added some additional control capabilities to items you can interact with in the world. So if I pick up this potato, we'll notice that I have some interaction hints on the bottom right. I can click the middle mouse button and hold it down to rotate the potato in 2 axes. I can now also click the right mouse button to modify the axes even further. This gives me granular control over the rotation of the potato. I can use the scroll wheel to bring the potato closer or push it further. I can hold the right mouse button to move the potato relative to the pickup point. This allows for super fine control over object placement and object rotation within the game world. Thank you for joining me in this latest update video. I hope you stick around so you may soon be able to create a hot stew with all the different vegetables that we've modeled in the game. Until next time.